Very good morning to all of you. Yes, students, online examination form has came. In group, we have shared all the information, and now you have to put the correct information. If it is not correct, the form is not correct. Okay, so update all the things you want which needs correction. Your name, your mobile number, email ID, your address. Okay, students, and if no correction needed, so please mention no correction because I'm getting confused in the group. Few students written only correction. Few are writing nothing. जिसने clearly लिखा है that is understood by me. Okay, otherwise it is creating a little bit of confusion. So please check your information thoroughly and message me today or tomorrow. And also mail for the corrections. Okay, all the details are shared. So students, will start with ITC, information theory and coding, and in continuation with the topic. क्या पढ़ रहे थे हम लोग? Who can tell me the name of the topic? What we studied yesterday? Yes, it is LBC, linear block code. Okay, in that we have seen the generation of LBC codes, and then we have started with one numerical, and then we have simplified that numerical. It's very easy to simplify. We have prepared one table also. Clear? Now, students, have you completed that table? Have you completed that table? This table? सबने कंप्लीट कर ली है? Yes or no, students? Have you completed this table or not? Please mention. No one? किसी का भी मैसेज नहीं आ रहा है? Yes, student? Why only half code word is completed? समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. सिर्फ अदिति ने रिप्लाई किया है. बाकी स्टूडेंट सी योर एग्जाम्स विल बी देयर. डोंट बी इन कंफ्यूजन कि एग्जाम्स नहीं होंगे या तुम लोग ऐसे ही क्लियर हो जाओगे. प्लीज डोंट. वैसे ही फ्यूचर इज वेरी अनसेफ फॉर यू पीपल, और उसमें भी तुम पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे तो फिर सोच लो तुम्हारा क्या होगा. बीकॉम और इंजीनियरिंग को बराबर कर दोगे बिल्कुल. Okay, Pratibha, complete. Okay, very good. If it's complete, and other students, have you tried to complete it? हमें क्या करना था? हमें सारे कोड्स ही लिखने थे. इसके तो सारे जीरो थे. ठीक है, इसके बाद का कोड वर्ड था. This we have discussed. यही था शायद इसका कोड सेकंड वाले का. थर्ड. You are getting this answer? Then okay, very good. So in continuation with this, you will get all the code word design. Okay, now what we have to do here? After this, we have to find those who have completed. Really, it's very good. I must appreciate the work. Here, minimum distance we have to find. Okay, Hamming weight, minimum distance are very important parameters to find how many number of error can be detected and corrected. So here we will find distance between these two codes. Okay, students? So distance means number of bits varying in both the code word. Here you can see in the first, this is my serial number 1. Okay? This is our first message. whose code word generated is all zeros. Second message whose code word generated is 000, 111 and 0. Okay, students. So here number of variation in digits. So it is 3. Okay, it is 3. Then we will compare next two bits. Next two bits में क्या आएगा? How many bits are varying? This, this, and this bit. Last में तो I think it's 001, 00. Okay, this is wrong, student. This I have written wrong, I think. Anna, this is wrong. Yes. Here it's 1 and here it's 0. So this is same. This is same. So only 3 bits are differing. So again the minimum distance is 3. Clear? For next, we will compare again. So here how many bits are varying? This is 0. This is 0. Same. Here this is varying 0 and 1. Clear? 1 and 0. Again 1 and 0. All rest bits are same. So 3 is the minimum distance between two codes. So you will continuously find this minimum distance. Sometimes you can get 4, 5 value also. So, but what is important? Minimum distance is important over here. Okay, minimum distance is important. So minimum distance of this code is 3. And this is 7,4 block codes which we have discussed. Clear, students? Any doubt over here? Because this will complete your LBC. Then we will see some error detection and correction. Doubt है तो अभी clear कर लो. Otherwise, it becomes complicated later on. ठीक है. So, next what we have to find now? Now we have to find C. We have generated the code. You can see the table where you can see C1 is equal to D1, C2 is equal to D2, C3 is equal to D3, C4 is equal to D4. Okay, because K was equal to 4. We have generated N is equal to 7. So 4 bits are same. तो कभी भी ये टेबल बनाओ. This table, first 4 digits will be always same. This you can see this 4 digits are always same. 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. The first 4 digit तो तुम as it is copy कर सकते हो for systematic block codes. Rest 3 digits you have to find. ठीक है, and we can find a relationship between this by using this coding. अगर तुम देखते हो C5 bit कैसे मिल सकती है मुझे? D2 XOR D4. You can check. C6 bit you can get by XORing D1, D3 and D4. ठीक है, C6 bit. C7 can anyone tell me? C7 bit कैसे मिलेगी? टेबल में देख के बता सकते हो by using which combination? You will get this bit. So it is D1 XOR D2. And how we have find out C? By using D and G. G was given to you. Data we have to select. Sometimes in exam, they won't ask you to prepare the whole table. They will give you some combination of input. Like in the numerical itself, they will give you the combination of input. Like 1101, 0101, 111, all ones. This kind of inputs will be given to you data message D. ठीक है? G will be given to you. Multiply this D and G and find the respective code words. Clear, students? And now what will be the bit rate? RB is not mentioned. So RC is equal to 7 by 4 RD. ठीक है? And time will be the opposite 4 by 7 TB. Clear? If this is given in the question, you can find out this values. ठीक है? So next numerical, second numerical for your assignment purpose, write down. See students, encoder can be designed. We can design the encoder for a 7,4 block codes by using some shift registers, modulo 2, arithmetic operator, and a switch. How we can design, students? See, I am having an encoder for 7,4. ठीक है, तो कितने इनपुट बिट्स होगी मेरी? हाउ मेनी इनपुट बिट्स? 4. ठीक है, ऑल द 4 इनपुट बिट्स आर कमिंग फ्रॉम हियर. सबसे पहले D1 आएगा, अगेन शिफ्टिंग, D1 विल बी शिफ्ट हियर, हियर एंड एट लास्ट हियर, एंड देन न्यू डिजिट्स विल बी एडेड. जैसे ही चारों डिजिट आ जाती है तुम्हारी, इट विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग, एंड देन you have to use 3 modulo 2 operators. Why? Because we have to find 3 different parity check bits. ठीक है, इसका आउटपुट क्या होगा मेरा? parity check bits. और parity check bits क्या है? C7, C6, C5. Clear, students? And here you will get the output. This is the switch. 3 code words. This is my output. Or rotating switch you can use. Whenever you want to know the inputs, you can put the switch over here. Whenever you want the output, you can put the switch over here. Now modulo 2 operator, we have find out the relationship. कि मैं C5 कैसे find कर सकती हूँ? I will use a different color pen. Yes. How I can find C5? By D2 XOR D4. So what I will do? C5 मुझे find करना है. C5 is this. I will XOR D2 and D4. See, this is the way we used to design encoder. These are the shift registers in digital electronics. We have studied all these things. कि register हम कैसे बनाते हैं, what is series combination, what is parallel combination, we know all those things. ठीक है, C5 bit मुझे मिलेगी D2 और D4 के XORing से. C6 bit I will get by XORing D1, D3 and D4. And the output is your C6. This is the designing of encoder, okay? And here we are giving input message. At each clock pulse, this will be shifted. Okay, C7 will get from D1 XOR D2, and you can see D1 is common to all. D1 is common to all. So D1 XOR D2. Output will be C7. Okay? So this is input bit sequence. This is the encoder designed for 7,4. इसी तरीके से तुम 6,3 का भी एनकोडर डिजाइन कर सकते हो. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स? एनी कंफ्यूजन? Now write down one homework. For a 6,3 system, for a 6,3 system, find all code vectors. Find all code vectors for given G See students, here I am showing this partition, but it's not necessary कि in exam they will show you this. So you have to identify how many rows and columns. इसमें है तुम्हारे 3 rows and 6 columns. ठीक है, where identity matrix is 3 cross 3. ठीक है, that is IK. यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स कितना है, उससे तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा आई की वैल्यू. ठीक है. नाउ वी आर हैविंग सेकेंड मेथड ऑल्सो टू फाइंड दी कोड. व्हाट हैपेंस, सी दिस इज माय पी स्टूडेंट्स and I have told you C is equal to DG and what is my C. C में अब यहाँ पे कितने digits आएंगे, C1 to C6. Okay students, C1 से C6 तक digits आएगी और first 3 digits क्या होगी, same. जो भी मेरा input, again you will have to prepare a table over here. टेबल में क्या क्या आएगा, सीरियल नंबर 2 to the power कितने हैं इसमें, 3, 9, 0 1 2 3 till 9 till 8 सॉरी. ठीक है. तो 000 001 010 10 सॉरी 011. ठीक है. सो नाउ दिस 3 digits will be same in your code words. So यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, 0 के लिए तो 000 और 001 के लिए 001. Remaining 3 bits you have to find, that is C4, C5 and C6. How you can find this C4, C5, C6? Yes students, how we can find? See, we can find this. We can see the generator matrix. 000 के लिए तो output हमेशा तुम्हारा all zeros will be the output. 001 you will check in the generator matrix where is 001 digit. ठीक है. wherever is the 001, कहाँ है 001, ये है मेरा 001. ठीक है. corresponding bit for this is 111. so this is my output 001 111. ठीक है. this is my code word design for this data bits. Clear students? Then I will find for next, that is 010. C मैंने find करना है 010 के लिए. This I will write as it is. Clear? After that I will search in generator matrix if this combination is there. In the I matrix, yes, it is there, 010. So I will write remaining bits as the output 011. This is the alternate method. ठीक है. It can be useful for simplifying from small generator matrix. Otherwise, this is the best method. C is equals to D into G. जनरेटर मैट्रिक्स लिखोगे, D लिखोगे, दोनों को मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे एंड यू विल गेट द आउटपुट. सो हियर वी गॉट फॉर दिस. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट we have to find for 011 when C is equal to 011. अब there is a combination over here. 011 है क्या यहाँ पे? Yes students, 011 is there. Yes or no? Yes, 011 is there in the generator matrix. No, not in P side. Always you have to check only I side. Identity matrix ही check करना है सिर्फ. Opposite is not possible. So it is not there. Okay, so what I will do, I will find a combination over here. इसमें मैं ऐसा combination ढूंढूंगी जिससे कि मुझे ये output मिल जाए. तो what I can do, I am having 010 001. What I will do, I will XOR these two rows. ठीक है. This we can get by adding second and third row of G. So what I will get here, इन दोनों को मैं add करूंगी. I am writing here 010 001. इन दोनों को मैं XORing करूंगी तो what I will get, this digit. ठीक है. And this is my input data. I have written over here 0101. So what I will do, I will add this also. So what I will get over here, 001. So this is my parity check bit 100. Clear? So this is, see, this is practically very inconvenient method, but इफ यू वांट टू चेक अवर आंसर्स, मैंने टेबल से फाइंड कर लिया और मुझे आंसर चेक करना है, तो मैं फटाफट से इस मेथड से चेक कर सकती हूँ। जो वैल्यूज मेरे आई मैट्रिक्स में ऑलरेडी गिवन होगी, उस वैल्यू से मैं अपना आउटपुट चेक कर सकती हूँ। This is just for verification, because sometimes it happens in matrix multiplication we commit so much of mistakes, very silly mistakes. And for smaller designing, you can use this method, the second alternate method, or primarily you can use it for checking. Okay, whether you are performing it right or not. So is it clear, students? So this is your homework. Complete this table. Put this in your assignment question. Okay, students. So this completes. You can find out minimum distance also. Write down, find out minimum distance of the code. Finished? Next, students, I have told you G can be designed by using, and alternatively, both are correct. So what will happen here? Identity matrix will be here. P will be defined, but G could be, I could be on this side also. ठीक है, and reverse तो हमने देखा ही था, both are correct. So next heading you have to write as decoder. Any doubt? So in decoder, write down, decoder has to perform two operations. Decoder has to perform two operations. As it has no idea about transmitted, it has no idea about transmitted noisy code information. Please write down these 2 points. First, to detect whether received combination, to detect whether the received combination is same as that of transmitted information. First, to detect whether received combination is same as that of transmitted information, that is whether there exists some error or not. Second point, if it exists, it has to be corrected. Clear? समझ में आ गया क्या काम है डिकोडर का? फर्स्ट, इट विल रिसीव द इंफॉर्मेशन, it will check whether it is same as that of not. If it is same, then it's okay, the received information is same as the transmitted one. If not, that means first we have to detect the error, in how many bits error exists. If we have identified that 3 bits are in error, then what we will do, we will correct those error. So first detection, then correction. So this is overall process of decoder. So first write down, students, error detection. first topic is error detection. Here write down error detection is done by calculating. Error detection is done by calculating syndrome, a very important and a new term defined by syndrome, that is S. ठीक है? Error detection is done by calculating syndrome S, and you can write S is equals to RH transpose. Now some new parameters will come into existence. So what is H? H is the parity check matrix. H is the parity check matrix with N comma K block code. H is the parity check matrix. जैसे इनपुट साइड में हमने जनरेटर मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लाई करके हमने डेटा कोडवर्ड डिजाइन किया था, सिमिलरली एट द रिसीवर साइड the received vector will be multiplied by H transpose to find out the syndrome S. So students, clear? H is the parity check matrix. R is the received information. R is the received information. ठीक है students? Any doubt? Now, if we all know at the input side, write down at the input side, C is equals to DG, ठीक है, and G is given by or. So similarly you can write H matrix is given by H matrix I'm talking about, okay? I n minus K into P transpose. Or if I'm using this format, then it will be ठीक है? Is it okay, students? Anything you want to ask here? Okay. So you're getting this? G हमने define किया था, उसी से हमने H को भी define किया है. Same P matrix here we are using this. जो P input में लिया था उसी का P transpose we are using at the output side. Okay? The same thing we are using at the output side. Now you can write down. I think this all have completed. I'm moving ahead. So in continuation with this, we can write down H matrix properly. So you can write down this equation. This is the equation number, I think, 3. Mark all the equations from starting. S equation को mark करो, H को mark करो, and mark this as equation number 3. So now what you can write? S. What is S matrix? ठीक है? We will define all the matrix over here. Received combination का क्या होगा बेटा? Rows and column. Who can tell? Received vector combination. कौन बताएगा? Waiting for the answer in the chat box. Received code vector का length कितना होगा? Transmitter side we are sending C. Receiver side we are receiving R. तो इसका C कोड वर्ड हमने कैसे डिफाइन किया था? 1 क्रॉस n. And how we will define received vector? Same 1 cross n. And this is given by ठीक है? Mark this as equation number 4. Now we will write down H matrix. H matrix क्या है मेरा? Combination of P I K. ठीक है? P पहले लिखेंगे तो P क्या है मेरा? Parity matrix. Please write down, students. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज H. देन H में पहले क्या आता है? P मैट्रिक्स एंड देन इट इज I मैट्रिक्स. ठीक है? सो दिस इज माय H मैट्रिक्स. सबने लिख लिया? ऑल हैव रिटन? Okay, so this is my H matrix. ठीक है? Write down the parity check matrix H. First point or step A, you can write the parity check matrix H. The parity check matrix H is used to verify. H is used to verify whether a code word C is generated, whether a code word C is generated by matrix G is equal to IP. ठीक है? Next, B step. This verification can be done as follows. If C is a code word, in N comma K block code, if C is a code word in N comma K block code generated by G IP, this G generated by this G, if and only if, write down the condition which is very important, CH transpose equals to 0. So 4 equation लिख ली थी. This is my 5th equation. ठीक है? 5th equation CH transpose equals to 0. फर्स्ट हम क्या कर रहे हैं, द पैरिटी चेक मैट्रिक्स H इज यूज्ड टू वेरीफाई वेदर अ कोड वर्ड C इज जनरेटेड बाय जनरेटर मैट्रिक्स G और नॉट. ठीक है, H से हमें पता चल जाएगा वो G से बना है या नहीं, क्योंकि दिस P पैरामीटर्स आर सेम, दिस P टर्म्स आर सेम फॉर H एज वेल एज फॉर G. तो अगर C मैंने जनरेट किया बाय यूजिंग दिस G, ठीक है, then we are receiving the same code word at the receiver side. Then what we are doing, how we are verifying this thing? We are verifying this thing by multiplying this code word generated C by H transpose. By H transpose, and if it is 0, that means H transpose, HT is a transpose of parity check matrix. Thus, generator matrix is used in encoding operation, whereas the parity matrix is used in decoding operation. ये तो सबको समझ में आ गया है. C is a code word, राइट कोड वर्ड है तो CH ट्रांसपोज हमेशा 0 आना चाहिए. दिस इज द सेकंड कंडीशन. H transpose HT is a H transpose matrix, okay? And generator matrix is used for encoding process, and your parity check matrix is used for decoding operation. Clear? Now how I will find H transpose matrix? H transpose will be given by P I minus K. ठीक है. नाउ थर्ड कंडीशन, if S is equal to 0, then what will happen? S is 0 आ गया, मेरा error 0 है, तो received code vector will be equals to the generated code vector. ठीक है, C मैंने generate किया था, transmit किया था, R I receive. If both are same when S is equal to 0, that means there is no error, no loss of information will take place. If S is not equal to 0, then what will happen? Then R is not equal to C. That means there exists an error. ठीक है? Is it clear? Now what we say related with R? R क्या, received vector which is equal to C plus E. E equals to 0, that means R equals to C, that means S is equal to 0. ठीक है? C original code word plus error vector E. R is the received code vector, C is the transmitted code vector, E is the error vector. And the function of decoder, see students, you have to write all these expressions. The function of decoder is to decode C from R and a message block D from C. This is the role of receiver. Code word transmit हो गया, डिकोड हो गया, और मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है उसमें से? सिर्फ ओरिजिनल मैसेज, एंड मैसेज बिट्स आर माय डी बिट्स. क्लियर? So now I can write error is equal to R minus C. This equation I'm writing E is equal to R minus C. ठीक है? So put R in this equation. We can put R, तो क्या आ जाएगा? S syndrome S is equals to R H transpose. ठीक है, R की जगह मैंने C plus E put कर दिया and H transpose. I will get CH transpose plus EH transpose. ठीक है? Is it clear? S is equal to RH transpose. If it is 0, there is no error. So no error, then what will happen? S is equal to CH transpose, or CH transpose equal to 0 means that we have transmitted the original code word. ठीक है? And S, you can write S is equal to EH transpose also if this is 0, CH transpose is 0. Syndrome of received vector is 0 if R is a valid code word. ये हमें सबको पता है. So we got this value. Now we can simplify one numerical based on this. So write down the numerical question. We'll simplify in the next class. For 7, 4, for 7, 4, block code, find S, where G is given by it is given by ठीक है. G given है. अब तुम्हें क्या फाइंड करना है? सिंड्रोम S. So what you will do, students? First step, what will be the first step? Who will tell me the steps? क्या फाइंड करेंगे हम? This is the reverse numerical which is simplified earlier. Yes, very good. Right H, that is P transpose I. फिर सिंड्रोम फाइंड करोगे आर एच ट्रांसपोज, उसकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी. उससे तुम फाइंड करोगे कि वेदर एरर इज जनरेटेड और नॉट. And here in this case there is no error. So this you have to simplify at your home. ठीक है, find out the values. We will discuss all these things in the next class. And please, all of you, fill the details of examination online form. And those who are absent in the class today, please inform them to submit their details correctly. ठीक है? Please tell them. So goodbye, students. Take care.